Your bones glow from the inside, and you don't need an X-ray to prove it. Every second of your life, your skeleton absorbs and releases microscopic bursts of electromagnetic energy, like a dim flashlight buried under your skin. Your marrow is constantly generating signals, monitoring infections, fractures, inflammation, and changes in mineral density long before you ever feel pain. How your bones are silent, but inside them is one of the busiest factories in the human body, creating 2 million new blood cells a second, balancing calcium, fine-tuning immunity, and sending chemical instructions throughout your entire system. The glow you see on a radiograph is just a snapshot of something that's always happening. Biological messaging, a silent warning system. Before a fracture hurts, your bone cells have already started healing. Your bones aren't just structure, communicators, and glowing guardians quietly watching every part of your life from beneath your skin. You know that strange moment when you suddenly turn around and catch someone staring at you? It feels supernatural, but it's pure biology. Humans evolved a specialized neural circuit built only for detecting eyes. The moment someone locks their gaze onto you, your superior temporal sulcus and your amygdala begin firing, triggering a chain reaction through your spine, skin, and heartbeat in less than 100 milliseconds. Your shoulders tense, your breath shortens, a cold ripple runs across your back. None of this is conscious. Your body is preparing for threat, attention, or emotional intensity before your mind even wakes up. For millions of years, eyes meant danger, a predator, an enemy, a challenger. So your nervous system developed an early warning detection system powerful enough to sense intention without sight or sound. Your heart doesn't beat the same for every person in your life. It reacts the moment someone steps into the room, before you see them, before you hear them, before you even realize they're there. Hidden inside your chest is a system called the Cardiac Neuroloop, a network of nerves that constantly scans your environment for familiarity, threat, comfort, or attraction. When someone you trust walks in, your heart rate slows, your blood vessels relax, and your body drifts towards safety mode. You don't choose this, your biology does. But when someone unfamiliar or unsettling enters, your heartbeat quickens, even if you pretend everything is fine. Your chest tightens, your breathing shifts, your nervous system starts analyzing their posture, tone, movements, calculating whether this person is safe, dangerous, or something in between. Your heart is always listening, always watching, always responding to the emotional gravity of the people around you.
Your skin remembers every touch you've ever experienced, even the ones you think you forgot. Beneath your surface live millions of mechanoreceptors that capture the tiniest details: pressure, temperature, texture, intention, emotion. Whenever someone touches you, your skin sends that information straight to your somatosensory cortex, where it becomes a physical memory. That's why a certain warmth, a certain hand size, or a certain way of holding you can bring back emotions you haven't felt in years. Your skin recognizes patterns faster than your mind does. A gentle touch from someone safe can make your muscles unlock before you even process why. A sudden touch from someone who once hurt you can trigger fear before your brain forms a single thought. Touch is not just physical, it's emotional coding, a language the body understands long before words. You think memories live in your mind. They don't. They live on your skin. And every touch you've ever felt is still stored there, waiting for something to bring it back to life.